Oh, thank you, Direk, ha? Kasi kinunan tayo ni Direk dito sa ano.
Totoo. Sige, i-upload
Alvin
niya.
Market.
I-upload niya sa ano, RedTube.
Oo. Sa alin?
Sa RedTube.
Sa Reg. May mga apps kami nga, hindi namin alam, Vanessa, na ikaw lang ang nakakaalam.
Hindi siya apps.
Ano ba siya?
Website.
Website.
O, hahanapin nila
Ito
kung ano yun.
talaga, Vanessa, pag mga kalibugan
Charis lang,
talaga.
may bunganga mo naman.
Ano naman? Huwag natin gawing masama ang natural sa isang tao. Tama. 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 Tama, Direk. Tama. Ang natural sa isang tao ay kumain. Diba? Direk, saan mo nabili to? Yung totoo. Direk, wala ba akong ano dyan, pa-drinks dyan?
Of course, meron.
Oo, wala
Tropa.
to.
Hindi lang drinks.
Wala. Ay,
May nakaabang na.
wala. Hello, Diyos ko dahil. Alam mo, dito na ako titira sa susunod. Wala na akong babayaran, please. Once again, palakpakan for Direk.
Wala pa, commercial pa.
Wala pa, mahina yung kamay mo.
Hindi,
Vanessa.
ipapaano natin to, papa-premium natin.
Alam mo, Vanessa, nanginginig yung kamay mo. Bakit? May tumitingin ba sa'yo? May nagmamasid ba sa'yo?
Bakit kasi kumain yung detention, ko krumpaling.
Okay, sige. Ayan na, ready na si Direk.
Alright, palakpakan for Direk Albert, guys.
Wow.
To Sis Aisha and Ram, Eid Mubarak. Of course, Eid Mubarak to everybody. When times get rough and your dreams just fall apart,
Galing ng boses ni Direk.
and sometimes you feel that you can't go on. Be strong, hold on, for my love will keep you warm to the coldest night, to the rain, to the storm. When friends turn their backs on you and you're so helpless you don't know what to do, I'll be on your side to comfort you. My love will see you through.
Palakpakan naman for Direk.
When tears are in your eyes and you feel like you wanna cry, just reach out and I'll be around to understand. When you stumble and fall and you need a shoulder to lean on, all you have to do is call and I'll be there with a helping hand. When the road seems so long and endless and all you see is nothing but darkness, don't give up, just walk on, have faith in your heart, for my love will see you through. My love will see you through. When you reach for your stars, when you cross the deepest sea, when you climb the highest hill, my love will always be with you in everything you do, in every step you make, in every road you take. Don't be afraid to follow your dreams, for my love will see you through.
Alright, applause for Direk Albert.
Nakahusay mo direct. At syempre,
Alright,
ganun lang
thank you so much.
ganun lang tayo. May mga guest tayo pwedeng kumanta ngayong gabi. Pwede tayo dyan.